So last week I said, the year's going by pretty fast. I think that's how I began the show. And lo and behold, 29th April, time is going super fast. And just like I said last week, if you have anything you're passionate about, anything you love, find a way to follow it. Whether it's a side hustle, whether it's the main thing. Follow those dreams the best way you can. And that's how we're kicking off today's show, because I'm actually going to be talking to a couple of creatives, who are chasing their dreams. We're going to get to all of that. But of course, as we do, I can't have any of this without you. Please send us messages, MX24 TV, every single platform. The hashtag is MX Live. As the show goes on, we're going to keep updating you guys on how you can be a part of this. As I always say, questions, suggestions, ideas, opinions. We're open to everything. What guests you want us to talk to, what questions you want us to ask, what kind of interactions you want to have with us. That's what MX24 TV is about. That's what I'm about. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for a quick commercial break. When we get back, wasting no time, we're getting straight to it. Stay tuned in. MX24 TV, every single platform. The hashtag is MX Live. And yes, by every single platform, I mean Twitter, no, X. I'm still not used to it. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, every single place you can find us. Post stuff and tag us, add the hashtag with every single show you watch, right? From our Broken Pen to our morning shows to MX Live. It makes it easier to find your stuff and, of course, to stay as interactive as possible. So as I said today, I'm talking to artists. I mean, I usually do, right? Talk to artists chasing, their dreams and facing all the adversities that come with, chasing those dreams. And I have three gentlemen who've collaborated on one of the biggest songs so far. And these dynamics are very, very interesting, right? When artists have these huge songs, in terms of, was it planned? Did it happen along the way? How did all these things come about to make that moment perfect? So very interesting conversations I get to have, and I'm sure you enjoy them. So as I said, and as I always say, keep these questions coming through. So I have twins and a very tall gentleman in the studio. How you guys doing, man?
Yeah,
very fashionable. I don't know, my guests make me feel very, very simple. I'm not as fashionable as I thought I was, but we're going to get into all of that. First of all, congratulations, because you guys have one of the biggest songs, right, in the country so far. Yeah. Okay. Let's get to know you first. Kindly introduce yourself, your name. I mean, I know you, but for the guests who may not know you.
Yeah, so I'm Alorg. Yeah, I'm an artist. Mm-hmm. I had to be in school, but yeah, because I believe in my dream.
Okay.
Yeah, I just put it aside to do it. That's why I'm here today.
Okay, so you deferred a bit.
Yeah, I deferred.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to talk about that definitely, music, because interestingly enough, I was talking about chasing dreams. So, the question is at what cost, and what are the benefits, of chasing these dreams? Okay, bro, what's up, man? What's the name, man?
Bhadmayors.
Bhadmayors.
Yeah.
Where did that name come from? Which one of you came up with that?
Actually, it has a meaning though.
Tell me about that.
The B, is BHAD. So being hard and determined rulers, and the rulers are the males. So.
Oh, so it's not bad as in the way we're thinking about it. Oh, okay. Because if I was voting for someone who's bad, but it's not like that. Okay, so what's your name personally, like individually, your stage name?
My stage name?
Yeah.
No, we're Dio.
Okay, and yours?
Bhadmayors.
Okay.
Bhadmayors, like we're Dio.
Okay, so Dio.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have individual stage names though, as I was asking? You don't have. So they just know you as Bhadmayors. Yeah. So if they see you anywhere individually, that's what they call you. Yeah. Hey, Bhadmayor. Yeah. Okay, very, very, very cool stuff. But the thing is, you guys are actually in school.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me about how all this began for you. I mean, who wants to fill us in on the story?
Like how everything started.
Yeah, musically.
We started SHS.
SHS?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Accra Academy.
Accra Academy. Okay, what I want to know is, whose idea was it to get into music, or was it just a natural thing?
Yeah.
It was a natural.
It was a natural
Even back then, when we started doing music,
We were doing it individually. Yeah.
Oh, so you were making your music,
Yeah.
and you were making your music. Because I'm assuming, right? What I'm thinking is, these are twins. Maybe some way they're just connected. There's that connection. But the reason why I asked that is, was there someone who began, and maybe the brother was like, nah, I'm seeing this. I don't know. There must have been someone.
I started writing first.
Oh, so you started writing?
Yeah.
Okay. And your brother,
Yeah.
okay. When did you guys officially start recording, though? Was it also in SHS?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was in SHS you started recording music. So were you famous back then? Were you known for the music?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you were?
We were the
We were
face
the
of the
face
high
of high
school
school,
like
bro.
then.
You're in the phase of high school?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that. Wow, that's really cool. So you were in school with them?
Yeah, I met them in school. That's where
Accra
everything-
Academy?
Yeah. And they were
Oh,
my seniors. And
they were your seniors?
Yeah.
That's interesting. So tell me about that dynamic. So were you also making music on your own? Did they inspire you? Tell me about how your
was-
musical journey began.
I was making music on my own, and people in the school knew I could sing, So you know how seniors would call you and like, oh, you sing, come and sing and kneel down. That kind of.
Yeah.
So that's where it all started,
Okay.
And yeah, from there we became close, and the bond started from there.
Okay, so you were kind of famous.
Yeah, we're famous in school. We're the face of high school,
Okay.
Yeah.
How were they as seniors? Shall I be honest? I mean, there's no punishing here. How were they as seniors? Were they like the cool guys, or were they like, when you get in trouble, they're gonna worry you? How were they as seniors then? Don't be nice, because I'm gonna ask them the same question.
Well, I mean, they were cool, yeah. They're like the coolest people in the school, so
For real?
people used to look at them,
Okay.
Yeah, the cool people connect, so we're cool, so just.
Now, how was he as a junior? Was he stubborn?
Nah.
You don't need to lie to me. You tell the truth.
School was I guess I like worrying him a lot.
Okay, so it was cool. Now, this thing is happening in school, when, especially with music and creativity, for a lot of artists, it's usually a hobby. You're just testing the waters to see. So, after school, right, was there still like a connection between you guys? Were you keeping in touch? How did, because
like-
now from school to making music together to having a very big song, tell me about that dynamic, right?
We've been like this since day one, since we met. Like my brother, cause actually my brother and I were triplets. Yeah, we lost one. and,
Oh, man. Condolences.
he
man.
getting back. We feel like he's a brother.
Okay, so there's that connection.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really, really cool. You guys have a very deep relationship in terms of the brotherhood, right?
Yeah.
What I want to know is it the music that connects you? Is it that you guys just get along? Is it that you guys just understand each other? Because you have a tattoo that all of you got together, the same thing at the same time. So I just want to know what connects you guys, would you say? What is it?
I would say, I don't know. You think it's the music?
Is it the music?
we are meant to
You know
be.
when something is meant to be, it's just meant to be.
Bro, I met a couple of girls in the past. I thought it was meant to be. Apparently it wasn't, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. Apparently it wasn't meant to be, bro. But it's very interesting to see, that relationship. Now to the tattoo. That's an even representation for an even deeper bond. Whose idea was it?
My idea.
Why am I not surprised? For some reason, I just thought it was him. Tell me about, how it came up, you discussing this and bringing it up.
For some reason, I really believed in the song. After the song was made, I was like, nah, this is it. This is it. So I'm like, let's do this as a song.
So you guys make a song,
Yeah, we
and
made a
then
song, Free My
you
Mind.
brought it up. Did you have any tattoos before?
Yeah, I have Rebel. I have some birds in the tree.
I mean, he's a rebel, so
yeah,
obviously.
I'm a rebel,
right?
so yeah.
Okay, but you guys don't have any tattoos.
Yeah, this is my first.
This is your first. How did the parents react to that? Was it like a tough conversation? Or not really? Was it tough or not really?
It was just see them go talk small.
They go talk some more, right? Okay. But you guys are not actually stubborn like rebels like that. Apart from allergy, you ain't the stubborn one for you.
I know you stubborn.
Okay, interesting. Now the song. Now this tattoo came after the song, right? Free My Mind. Let's get
before
Before-
the song.
the tattoo came before the
Yeah,
song.
because we believed in the song, faith.
We know what we're putting out.
It's because of faith, that's why I hear
Did the concept come before the song was recorded? Or was the process? Was it the
natural.
process?
It was
Because
natural.
Free My Mind, I want to know more about this. What's Free My Mind about?
We are in an era whereby everybody needs to free their mind,
A lot of people have things in their heads that are like they're not
Even
able
if
to
someone
overcome.
wants to even commit a suicide, free my mind.
You have to free
You
your
hear free my
mind.
mind, you be
Oh.
like,
So it's basically speak up. Basically, like,
Yeah, you have to happy yourself every time. Like, no
Find
one
joy.
is there to make you like.
okay. What's been on your chest that you want to let off? Yeah, because you know you have to practice what you preach. What's been on your chest? What's something, you know? It doesn't have to be negative. It doesn't even have to be something that's, you know, that's bothering you, maybe personally, you know, maybe per society, because you have a fan base too that reach out to you.
I mean, people being just fake, you know. I mean, that thing is it's a big thing, you know.
Okay, people being fake. Have you
Yeah.
experienced that in the industry so
Yeah,
far?
a lot.
Would you want to share an instance?
Nah.
You know, since we didn't feel on our mind, right?
Nah,
Not yet.
yeah, not
Maybe
yet.
one day.
Maybe one day.
Maybe one day.
Yeah, one
You
day.
see, right now, Drake did drop these tracks everywhere. So maybe one day.
Maybe one
Is there
day.
anything that you want to free your mind about? Anything. Could be anything. Maybe some girl, she hits you safe. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
The same shit, the
same
freaking
shit. We don't actually have friends.
You don't have friends?
Yeah.
Oh. Why is that, though? Is it a personal reason? Is it, you know, the experiences you've had with people? Why don't you have
Actually,
friends, would you say?
you see, like, we are like, I'm a type of person, like, we are, like, when we are relating, or, like, let's say we are friends, we do everything with the heart,
Okay.
but the people that we think we are doing things for them with our hearts are, like,
It's not reciprocated.
Yeah.
Oh.
Exactly.
Bro, that must be tough, man.
Yeah.
Especially in an industry where, you know, it's all about connecting to people. So how do you guys, would you say, adjust to that? Because either ways, even though trust is a very big thing, we still have to work with people, right? And you're going to get a bigger fan base, God willing, based on the work you put out. So how are you guys going to adjust to that, would you say? Is this something you thought of?
Yeah, I mean, something that's been on my mind. I just, I just leave everything to
Because
God.
the interesting thing, you know, about that, one time I saw, and it's actually very true, you never meet the trolls in real life. They're always on the internet. So that makes our job, the dynamic of the job and what we're doing, very tricky. Because you don't know who's coming around you. You know, they could be saying the nicest thing to your face, and they go on the internet. Since this concept of free your mind, let me also ask you, how do you stay mentally stable in a very chaotic industry? And again, it could be good chaos, it could be bad chaos, right? But just a mixture of so many things. How do you stay level-headed, man?
Well, I mean, I just pray, I really do believe in God, and I feel like that's what
Okay.
keeps us going.
because like
Yeah.
with God nothing is possible.
Okay.
Like anything
Nothing is
you do,
impossible.
Nothing is
you know?
impossible.
Impossible.
Yeah.
I don't
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Nothing
like
is
anything you
impossible.
do, you have to like involve God in it.
Okay, that's good to hear. I'm sure the parents are going to be very happy. Even though we have rebels in the studio, you know, they're going to be very excited. So, so all of this happened. Now to the song. Who brought the song about? What was the concept? How was the song given birth to, basically?
Oh, and the washroom in school. The washroom echoes, so we're just like playing
Random beats.
loud beats and freestyling. And,
Okay.
he was, funny enough, he was about to walk out,
Yeah.
He was walking and I was like, wait. I'm like, yo, come, Charlie. You be vibe. Do them again. So we just came naturally. I just entered. So we didn't even stress about it. It was just like,
less than 10 minutes.
yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. So that's how the song came about.
Yeah.
You said in school, SHS?
No.
Just to
I went to
come
their hostel, I went to live there.
Okay.
'Cause
So which school are you in, for those who don't know?
Legon.
Legon. Okay. Yes, obviously. That's why there's so much swag here. There's Legon here. Okay. So you guys are in Legon. This is happening. The song is going. Of course, school and music. For anyone who's a student, it may not be the easiest thing. Maybe there are certain people who found that balance. Would you two say you found that balance when it comes to recording music and staying fit academically? Have you found that balance here, or is it still a struggle?
It's a big struggle for me.
It's a big struggle.
What is struggling about it? Is it the time?
Yeah.
Okay. Has studies been affected? I mean, don't worry, I got a couple of F's when I was starting the gun. But anyways, it is what it is, How has it affected you, would you say? And how are you also trying to find a balance?
Oh, actually, that's affected me in so many ways, though. Like, sometimes I don't get time to go to class and all.
Oh, okay. Has it ever gotten to the point where it had to be either or. You
Yeah.
know, either I'm doing this or
Yeah.
I'm doing this.
Yeah, because even I can't remember. Sometime I was having an eye, and like I had a show to go, so I just
Oh man, that's crazy. Again, how the parents dealing with that? I'm sure they're not too happy about that.
I don't think that
I don't know.
they don't know about that.
Well, hopefully they're not watching.
Yeah.
If they are, okay. But let me ask you this though: are you trying to find a balance? You know, because that's what's important. You know,
Yeah.
again, it might be a bit difficult, understandable looking at the circumstances. But are you guys working towards that? You know, trying to find a balance because that's what's important, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So Free My Mind,
My
you
mind.
dropped it.
Yeah.
How was the response when it dropped?
It was, I think one of them was highly anticipated song. We dropped a snippet on TikTok and it was going crazy. So everybody was like, yo, what's Free My Mind? Funny enough, it had to come out 4th
4th
April,
April.
and it delayed. It came out 7th. So the
7th.
pressure
So I'm
was
sure people were
crazy.
disappointed on
Yeah.
that. Okay, but you were not as big as you were when the song dropped, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's when the song dropped that really shot you guys up.
yeah, but we're known.
Okay, you were known.
Yeah, we're known.
Okay. So that's why there was even more anticipation
Yeah,
for it.
yeah.
And I'm sure, you know, the snippets were even crazy and we wanted to hear it. So now it drops crazy. Was it what you expected though?
Yeah.
Yeah, like
And there's more to come.
there
you
was
know.
fate, so
It was fate. It was God. So yeah.
Okay, so now this is a collaboration. This is not you featuring them or them featuring you. This is a collaborative effort coming together. Are there going to be more of that between you guys? Because you're not collectively a group. They are a group.
Yeah.
This is going to be more of that.
oh yeah, we had
Yeah.
a lot of songs.
A lot of songs.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe a full body of work,
Yeah.
an EP, an album, maybe. Maybe.
Yeah.
I'll let you maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, so is there a music video for this song? Is there a visualizer or?
So we are currently working on that. So
Okay.
yeah, when it's out, everybody will see it.
Okay, I hope that one doesn't delay too.
I wouldn't.
So the thing is, I think we have a snippet of the song. So for those who haven't heard it, let's listen to it. Tell us what you think. When we come back, we're going to talk to them some more. This is Free My Mind. Not free. I mean, I am trying to free my mind basically, but it's Free Your Mind, you know, by Bhadmayors and Alorg. So check this out. We'll be right back. Man, that's fire. Yo, congratulations on a good song, man. Like, that's really, really good. And looking at how the song came about, you know, and wow. You guys are killing it, man. You got all the girls on campus, right? You see, they can't say no. So, you were telling me a story about how the cover art came about.
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
So it was midnight, like around 1, 2,
2 a.m.
2
We're
a.m.
just walking around trying to shoot some content, cause
On campus.
yeah. And then we were around the car park in Legon or something, and we just got arrested because like
We were taking
why
a
do you
shot.
have cameras here without
and also
some
permission?
Oh.
Without any permit.
For walking around.
for taking
Like, for
videos
taking-
and
Oh, for
pictures.
taking videos. Sorry, my bad. Oh,
Yeah.
so what happened eventually?
Yeah, they put us in a car,
At the
took us
back.
to some police station or something.
No, for real?
Yeah.
So this was this like security, campus security?
Yeah,
I think so. I think so.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Were you guys
They seized the
scared?
cameras and
Sees the
everything.
camera, everything, like,
Oh.
you know.
I'm sure there was another brother who was taking the pictures.
Yeah, Trips.
Trips.
Where's Trips at?
Trips is, I guess Trips is
Was he
watching.
also taking?
Yeah, he was taking.
Oh!
Everybody was taking.
Shout out to Trips, man.
Yeah, big shouts to Trips.
Oh man. So did you guys get out that morning?
So we just made some calls. You know, we just
Okay,
made
big
what-
boys. Okay, made a couple of calls. You know, got it sorted out. Okay. How's the experience? Were you scared?
Nah,
I mean,
it
I
was
just
funny,
felt like it
just
was.
funny,
Yeah,
like-
I was enjoying the moment.
These guys are hard though.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. Very cool. Okay, maybe not cool because they got picked up by security, but an interesting story on how the cover art came about. Are you guys under a record label though? Do you have a manager, a management team? How is that? Because like I said, you're an individual artist. How's your
So
situation?
I'm currently like talking to people.
Okay.
Yeah, but I have a manager, Two Shoes.
Okay. Oh, he's in the
Yeah.
back.
Yeah, he's in the back now.
Macho man, man.
Big shouts to Two
I'm
Shoes.
not fighting him. How about you guys?
Oh yeah, we're also like talking to people and seeing how things go. But then Sushi is also holding us though.
Okay, he's also.
Holding
Hey,
us
bro,
down.
manage me too. What's going on, man? A family.
Two shoes.
Two shoes, so two shoes.
Oh, 2 shoes. Oh, so he's taken.
Yeah.
Trying to find 3 shoes. Okay, I'll find him. It's really, really interesting, man. Let me ask you this. How, as young as you are, right, how are you dealing with the fame? Is it something that is easy to deal with? Is it exciting? Because usually it's all these things. For some people, fame is very, very difficult, right? How would you say it is for you right now?
So, you know, like, you see, we were known in SHS. We used to go for shows. We used to, like, people in SHS know us, you know. That's where our fan base started. So we are kind of like exposed a bit.
Used to it.
Yeah, so it's just, we are just seeing it bigger, and then, you know, we're just like composing and, you know.
Okay, so something you're able to deal with.
Yeah,
Is that the
something
same for you guys?
Yeah, one more.
Okay, and the ladies too.
Oh,
I say
on the
boys, whenever
ladies.
boys come here,
He's
it's just
on the
like my team in the
ladies.
background. Whenever I say ladies, oh, but all these girls are taken. By who though? So what's the plan moving forward for you, man? Because now this song is out. Your manager was telling me there's a visualizer on YouTube.
Yeah.
So I'm sure people can go on there and see it. But now what's the way moving forward? Are we going to get an official music video? Is it more songs? What's going to happen there?
Yeah, so you're going to hear from us, like, we're going to put out more songs. We're going to shoot an official video too as well, so they should get ready for it.
Okay,
Yeah.
get ready for that. How about you guys? Same thing?
Yeah.
More song official videos? Okay, interesting. Would you guys want to tell your fans anything, you know, people support you there? Anything you want to add?
we appreciate them for like the support,
Everything, yeah.
They are really showing love.
Nice
Yeah.
one. How about you?
I'll say big love to everybody. First of all, I want to thank God too as well. Yeah, big love to Diana too as well.
Wait, hold up. Who's Dinah?
Diana's my mom, you know, she
Okay, because
keeps
me, I
me.
know a Dinah somewhere.
Oh no, maybe a Diana. Yeah.
Oh, but that's cool. You have a close relationship with your mom?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, man. Very big salute to Mommy Dinah.
Mama be praying for us all.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Hello to the parents, you know, who support the babies. Shout out to you guys. And thank you guys so much for coming through. So this song is on all platforms. People can find
Everywhere,
it.
everywhere.
They can buy it. But do you have previous songs before this on, you know, all these streaming platforms or not yet?
Yeah, we do.
We do.
They even had an EP out, and it was
Okay.
taken down, you know, because of, you know.
Okay, some copyright issues.
Some copyright
Okay,
issues.
it's something, you know, artists are still, you know, learning. So
Yeah.
that experience, I'm sure, is going to make you better. But, you know, for all these songs, they can find it on, you know,
Everywhere,
Spotify,
everywhere.
Apple
Music,
Music,
Audiomack.
okay,
everywhere.
Audiomack, okay, Boomplay.
Boomplay,
you can go and get
everywhere.
it.
Yeah.
Really, really cool. Moving forward, more tattoos, because you've got a couple.
Yeah,
You gonna get more?
I really like tattoos though.
You like
know.
tattoos?
It's just
Oh,
it's
like-
art. I mean,
So you're going to like Chris Brown,
let's see
you know,
about
head to
that.
toe, Gucci Mane. Okay, are you going to get some more?
Yeah.
You gonna get more?
Yeah.
You gonna get more? Don't get name of a girl, man. Because it never ends well.
No, it never ends well, actually.
It never ends well.
No.
But if your current girlfriends are watching, you know they'll not be happy about that.
You're single.
Oh, they're single. You see, finally, I got to out to them. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming through, man. It's been really cool talking to you. Please bring the, you know, music video when you have it. Here we're all about supporting, you know, artists, you know, chase their dreams, as I was saying earlier. And your story is one of chasing dreams and believing in yourself. So continue to free your mind, you know. On X, on Instagram, Charlie, talk your mind. We will follow and like and retweet and all of that, Charlie. Big salute to these guys. And like I said, find the music, buy it. Number one way to support them. I have another artist coming through. Enjoy this. We'll be right back.